day traders, this is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Tuesday, August 29th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. I'm going to go really quick here, guys, because we had a lot of trades. We had no losing trades in the room. One of them could have been a break even, and I'm going to go through it from left to right. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to expand our first trade today from left to right here in the markets was in the 6E euro. Okay, the 6E euro. We took a trade in the euro, and I'll get you the price that was at pre-market was at 1.20400. 1.20400 right there, and then you could have taken it here. Some people wanted to wait till after the market opened, and you'll see that trade went down, worked out very nicely. Trade went over 30 ticks. Trade went over 30 ticks down here, and that was a beautiful way to start off the trading there. That was actually a pre-market trade. We had another one in the crude as well. We'll get to that in a minute. In gold, I was screaming about gold. I was screaming about a level in gold. I said gold wants to get below 1322, and I said once it does, it could go much further. Obviously it did, but it was after the market was closed, or after we were gone, because we cut out about right here. But we actually got into this thing three different ways in gold via three different setups. I'm going to go through them here really quick. We had a short up around 1325.4. Some people were in as high as 1325.8. That was an RS trade, and from that entry it went down about 25 ticks. About 25 ticks. Actually went much further, but 25 ticks is what most people got. Those people who were in took profits on this initial push down. I offered an add-on or a new entry in the gold market, which was at 9:39 Central Standard Time. The price was 1324.7. 1324.7 is a new entry or an add-on. That was a UT trade. Okay, and that trade went down as well from 1324.7. Went down beautifully. There's really as much as you wanted, but realistically up till the room closed, about 30 ticks. And then again, for those people who got out, smaller contract size people, or people who just otherwise got out of the trade, we hit it again. So within this move to here, it was hit, three times, potentially three different times, and it went down a nice amount there, nice amount there, a nice amount there. I was so adamant about keep hitting the trade because I was expecting it to get at least down to here. And then, like I said, much further. And of course, it did happen and went all the way down to 1311. But that was later on in the afternoon. We hit it again on a power play at 1322.9, 1322.9, and that trade went down for about 15 ticks. From that point, actually 15 from that point before the room closed. But again, never came back up to our entry. But again, the room closed. So three different trades. We had an RS here, an understanding trade here, and a power play here. And that was in the gold market. So that was another three potential winning trades, or two with an add-on. This is going to be a longer video than I thought today. And the NQ, just an unbelievable day today. We had this down move overnight, told everybody nothing really changed with North Korea, and that realistically, even if something did happen as far as retaliation on our end or Japan's end, that it wasn't going to happen in the next couple hours. So if we get a long trade, this thing could go all the way back up, and that's exactly what it did. We had a beautiful trade in the NQ. We had a power play in the NQ. That was around 58.12 quarter, 58.12 quarter. And that trade went all the way up. First target that I had, major target, was 58.45. So that power play yield from 12, let's say, you'll see it actually went a lot further. 33 points was my stretch target, and then it went up another 15 points before the room closed. So only people who'd be able to stay in are people who trailed that. But that trade went 132 ticks to my target. 132 ticks to my target. And then, these were targets along the way, and it went even further. That was a beautiful power play. And then in the, let me go to the next one here. We had a lot of trades today here. In crude, we had a trade, an RS trade right here. I'll get you the time on that one. That was at after the 818 candle, 4642, 4641 area. That one went down and made up to about 40 ticks. Now, in all honesty, because of the market opening up and things like that, was really probably 15 to 20. A few people did say they were going to hold it at entry, and you'll see that it never came back up to our entry here when the market opened. So with their runner, so these targets were hit. We'll call it up to 20 ticks max. It did go down further, but kind of came up here and everything. So went down further down here, but not, we didn't get every drop of that. So it was up to 20 ticks on that crude trade, and that was a beaut as well. And then on the ES, we had another beauty. On the ES, we got long on the ES way down at 8:33 Central Standard Time, 24:30. 24.30 right here, 24.30. Okay, I offered an add-on at 24.33.50. Okay, 24.33.50, and some people added on, some people didn't. This was the first target here, and again, my next target was all the way up, at which I told everybody, same thing with the NQ. I wanted it to get all the way up to flat, which was 24.43.75. Now we ran out of time on that. It did not get up there by the time the room closed. It only got up to about here, about 42 or so. So that was a nice, beautiful trade, up to 12 points on that trade. And we are going to come back and do it all over again tomorrow. Until then, everybody have a great day. Again, there was no losing trades in the room today. We had 6 or 7 beautiful trades, winners, and just another great day. So we'll see you guys back tomorrow. Bye-bye. Happy trading, everybody.